Hey YouTube, it's been a while. Another shop update here. So, got the outside all cleaned up. Got my holiday trailer parked here, chip box. But cleaned all that crap up here. There was all kinds of steel and shit laying everywhere. So, got all that cleaned up. Got the driveway cleaned up a little bit. Wasn't in that great of shape, but yeah, we got a man door put in and a couple of swinging barn doors put in. So remember in the last video I said we weren't getting an overhead door, so we were gonna build doors. They turned out pretty good actually. They're 3 inches under 10 feet tall and 14 feet wide, so total 7 foot each, I guess. But yeah, so got them thrown in. Can actually get something in there now. I got the new little tractor here. I'll make another video on that, but I've had it for a couple months now. I got almost 40 hours on it, I guess. So it's a stump grinder, and yeah, but there's all kinds of shit on the side here. Just cleaned this up the other day. Steel and pipe and all kinds of crap. Just leftover crap that the last owners had left laying around. So my pile out here is dwindling. Every once in a while I take a load to the dump, but I mean it was as tall as that smoker, and yeah, we're getting down to probably another couple loads. Every time I got time I try and take a load to the dump, but we'll get back here all cleaned up. It's looking okay, but yeah, a whole load of steel there yet. Finally found the septic tank. I got that sitting on top of it because it was a rotten piece of plywood, yeah, for a lid. So, and I was back here with the little tractor before that, and I knew it was back here somewhere, but I just didn't know where. Finally, me and my boy were out here, and we scouted it out and found it. So, gotta get a lid built for that, and I'll build a little deck for it, just in case somebody does drive over it. It's not gonna be a big deal. So, yeah, this smoker here we got. I started ripping it down the other day. Yeah, it's kind of solid. I pulled this wall out of it, but it's got a 4-inch thick concrete cap on it, so it doesn't want to push over too easy. But we'll get it. Gotta get all this shelving and shit taken out and pile it in the steel pile over there for now, I guess. We'll get it all fucking cleaned up. But yeah, so I'll open up the doors and I'll take you for a tour on the inside. So made her inside, so I got them windows pulled out. Yeah, there was one back there you can see. I need some insulation yet in there, but got this one pulled out. And then got that man door moved over. There used to be a window up top there, so I just framed that out. And then yeah, ripped the wall down. Got that set of doors put in. So yeah, I don't know. They're heavy, but I like it. I can get the dump trailer in. Which is another new purchase. We'll do a video on that here soon too. But yeah, I can get it in, can get the tractor in beside, and still have a little room to work up front here. So got all my implements and stuff in here. Of course, there's already been people trying to break in here, so as soon as they see something going on, they figure there must be something worth stealing. So, but yeah, I'll get these doors open up, give you guys a look. All right, so there we are with the doors opened up. Yeah, so 14 feet wide and just about 10 feet tall. So it works pretty slick, actually. I got a guy that's got a tin package that will do the full building, so I might do that, but there's no rush right now. So I'd like to tin the inside too instead of having drywall in there, but one thing at a time. Yeah, when I pulled this wall out, I had to rewire everything, so I ended up just wiring in some plugs and getting these LED lights. They actually work really good. I'm impressed. It's 10 times brighter in here than it was, so it's kind of nice. But yeah, so that's the update on the shop. So far so good. Drains in the floor are all working. I don't know what they have for a pump or anything in that septic tank, or if it goes to a field or what. I did see a breaker in there for a pump, but I don't know. I don't see any wiring down in it or anything, so I guess once she's full, we'll get it pumped and have a look. But I don't know. Hopefully it doesn't give us any grief. So yeah, my mom painted me up a sign. So yeah, it's coming together pretty good. Just gotta put a few more clear coats on it, and it'll get put out the front here, or the south side. And then it's kind of nice. We get the train tracks here separating town from us. Kind of sucks for thieves and shit, because they figure nobody can see them, but you can just see the top of the building from the highway over there. So we'll throw a couple 6x6s up and throw that sign up on there. Some free advertising, I guess, so should be pretty good. All right, talk to you guys later.